What up?
Hi.
Okay, so the other day, we were at the store, and what happened?
Somebody recognized you.
I like, dude, the look on your face of like...
From YouTube.
Yeah, they did. How do you think I handled it?
You soaked it up.
Dude, I soaked it up. I was way into it. It was weird because kind of like the 10,000 calorie challenge or whatever that video was, where I was talking about the haircut with the boy, and I gave my... Okay, we don't need to... Okay, if you want to know, you'll have to watch that video.
Great story.
Great
Continue.
pictures. The pictures were the winner in that situation. Anyway, where am I going with this? Oh, soaking it up. It was seriously like in my brain, the roles had switched. Like she was like, "Hey, I'm Sheba. Hooray, we're meeting." And then all of a sudden, I completely internalized it, and I was like, "Oh my god, I'm meeting you." It's for real. Is there something wrong with me? Is that weird?
I think you're just like that.
I'm just weird. You're just weird. You're just like that. So I will go ahead and give myself a pat on the back for
Good job.
For not alienating her or myself and not being alienated. Give her a pat on the back. Ooh, we should throw a round of applause in there. Anyway. Oh, we just dropped off laundry at the laundromat. Dude, there was some hardcore tailgating party going on at the laundromat at like fucking midnight, dude. It's crazy. Like, there was a guy wearing, like, he looked like he had a job. Like, he's wearing like a button-up shirt, but he was sitting in a van that looked like it was from the 80s or 90s. And I got the vibe. I could be using a lot of imagination here, but it looked like he lived in that van. And he had like the tunes cranking. He had some ballads playing. Like, he was really feeling the night. And he had like the back of the truck open, or the van open. Like, he was there, he was in it to win it. And somebody else was tailgating too. I was like, dude, I've never seen people enjoying themselves so much late night at the laundromat. Have you ever seen that?
No.
It does seem a bit...
I can't say I have.
I will admit, I would like to be doing that as well. I would. Why can't I just fucking enjoy life? Why is it always about work? Why is it all business? These people are tailgating. What am I doing? Recording jokes on an audio for work. I'm not out there partying. I should be. I'm living vicariously through them. Dude, how sweet would it be to walk up to Mr. fucking button-up shirt and be like, "Hey, how's it going?" And then, like, hang out with him inside of his van, listening to some awful music. You don't think that sounds like a good time?
No.
Seriously? Would you feel dragged along? I bet he's still there. We're about to go back up there.
Yeah, he's probably there.
Dude, should we strike? I'm going to strike up a conversation. I'm going to find out what's up. I should have done that before I recorded. Then I could have gave everyone else the details. I know you guys are curious as I am. Where is this going? This is not going anywhere. Other than it's all business. I'm like, get the laundry, record an audio, tell some jokes, pat myself on the back for everyone else to hear. And everyone else is like listening to smooth jazz or something in the back of their van. Dude, that shit sounds romantic. Are you like, if I said a Michael Keaton 80s movie, would you know what that means?
I mean, I mostly just know as jokey movies, you know.
Dude, in the 80s,
And Batman.
he played like this blue collar worker who was like Joe Sixpack or whatever it is, like the guy who he's like there was like a movie of him like fighting to keep the car manufacturing companies like in America. Like, yeah, that's how I feel. I internalize that when I'm seeing people like tailgating, like I'm back in the 80s and we're all hanging out wishing we could keep building cars in America. I don't know. I turn into Michael Keaton. I don't know. We should watch that. We need to make it happen. That's how I'll enjoy life.
Okay.
I'm serious.
80s Michael Keaton movies.
I'm striking a conversation with Homeboy at the...
he probably knows a few.
I should bring him something. What should we gift him? What do we have? I feel like you got to bring him some homeless man chips or something. If he lives in a van. Peace.